Hello friends, in this lecture I will tell you how to use simulation of Semantic Manager for Siemens S700 PLC. So let's start the software. Go to Semantic Manager S7, and as in our previous lecture, lecture number 2, I have told you how to add the hardware in the software, Semantic Manager software. So we will open our previous lecture. Go to open, and this is our how to add. This is lecture number 2. Open it. Okay, and you can see this is the hardware. This hardware we had added in our previous lecture, lecture number 2. So in this lecture I will do some programming and tell you how to use simulation of the software Semantic Manager. So go to back, and this is a CPU 312, and go to source and block, and go to OB1. And in this block you have to tell about the language, programming language. We will use ladder diagram, LAD, and go to OK. So this is one window for programming. So for start of the initial inputs output, we have to use this table. You can see for our digital input is from 0 to 1. So we will use one input, and output addresses is 4 to 5, like 40, 4.0, 4.1. So 4 to 5, this is the addresses of the output, and 0 to 1 is the addresses of the input. So we will add one input, and I will add I for input as 0.1. This is a one input and one output. Q is stand for output, and 4.0. This is our one output. Okay, I made one wrong program, one input and one output. So now we'll start the how to we use this in simulation. How to we on off the input output for checking the our program. So go to back and go to this simulation on and off. Okay, this is a PLC sim 1. Okay, you can off this one, and I will tell you how to add this one. You can, this is a input block, insert input, output, memory, timer, counter. This is a simulation platform. Okay, so before start of the simulation, you have to go back and go to the programming and download this one. And this is the error, and unable to reach the module CPU 312 via online interface. You have to go to the setting of the interface of the PG. So go to Semantic Manager and go to option and set PG and PC interface. And in this option I will select PLC SIM MP1. Okay, and press OK, and download this one. Yes, and now go to and same PLC SIM MP1 must be here. Okay, and now you have to go to here and press. Now your program is downloaded. Okay, no error. And now go to simulation. Okay, now you have to run your CPU. Okay, now our input is I01. So this is our IB0 block, and this one is our input. When I press this input, and you can see in the program, this is the output is 4.0. So I have to select here 4. Okay, now when I will on in my input, you can see this output is on. Okay, when I off input, output will be off. Okay, this way you can check your program, and more over there you can also check the ladder diagram. Press monitoring, and you can see this is a run mode. Your PLC is in run mode, and this time your input is off and output also off. So I will go to the PLC sim 1, and I will on my input, and you can see your output is on. Okay, so same way, if you off my input, your output is off. So this way you can use simulation of the software, and you can check the program by using PLC sim, and you can check your ladder diagram, your logics without hardware PLC. Okay, if you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise the question on the comment box. Our team will be give the answer on your question. Okay, bye.